Diamond Matt channel, welcome. Right, I'm going to start by saying thank you to Ian Serro, new patron for the channel. Patrons really helped me continue this channel because I've got loads of stuff I learned over the last 20 years working as a professional jeweller. So this channel is about me just sharing everything I learned. I want to get the information out there to help people learn to make jewellery. But I just want to show you, this is a very quick video, I want to show you, I just soldered this and I was checking it over. It's not quite good enough. Like with your naked eye, this looks good enough, but with magnification, I found something that is a potential problem in the future, so I'm going to reflood it. But before I do, I just thought I'd make a video to show you exactly what I'm looking at and explain why I don't like it. Right, so I just soldered this on. When it cooled down, I just picked it up, having a quick look at it. First of all, I check, is it straight? It's perhaps tilting down a little bit towards the left, can you see that? Then I look at it from this side. It's meant to be, like, that's meant to be dead vertical and that's meant to be horizontal. It's a little bit tilting up. That kind of amount I could probably get away with doing this kind of thing if I'm careful without bending that wire. When you've gone really wrong, you just have to resolder it. That could have happened because I was holding it in my tweezers. I could have just squeezed it a bit more one side, pulled it down as the solder melted, or just the little groove I had phrased in there may have been wrong as well, so it can happen for a few different reasons. It's not miles out, but I think I would prefer that more perfect before continuing with it. But anyway, the reason for the video is checking a solder joint. So I have a general look at the angles and stuff, and then I want to have a closer look. So with my 10 times loop, you can tell this is all not even been in the acid yet. That one's quite neat. Down there, it looks alright. Then you've got to look on top, or on the bottom in this case. It's flooded around there, so that's quite good. Other side, this is the top where the stone's gonna go. Flooded there, perhaps a bit too much solder. Put a little square on and it flooded. That thing's alright. But yeah, here I noticed something that I didn't like. Can you see? It's flooded, but it's more stuck to my bezel more than the claws. Like a bit of a gap there. Hasn't quite flooded and stuck to the claw. You see that little dark line. Yeah, this needs reflooding. So yeah, that's the kind of thing I'm looking for when I'm checking my solder joints. I really do recommend use a 10 times loop, because with my naked eye I wouldn't see that. It looks sort of alright, apart from being slightly wonky on the claw. The joint actually looks quite neat and nice, but with 10 times magnification, spotted something I didn't like. So anyway, yeah, 10 times loop, check your solder joints, and yeah, don't be reluctant to take a step back and correct a little problem you just found. Now that I know that's there, I've got to correct it. I like to be able to sleep at night and things I make are strong and finished well. If I just continued with that and hoped it wouldn't be a problem for someone in the future, if it was actually something I was going to make, like a commission, I wouldn't be able to sleep knowing that I've done something a little bit dodgy, a little bit wrong. Anyway, so that's that. If you want to help me out, make more videos, become patron, link in the description, click like, subscribe, blah blah blah, all that, and see you on the next one. Bye.